Getting the chance to talk to a product expert is a rare opportunity to learn directly from the people who know the equipment best. We recently spoke with Walker Territory Manager Brock and picked out our biggest takeaways from our conversation.
Those of you that aren't familiar with the C23i, it's a fairly new model in the Walker lineup. They've had the Model C for years, but recently went through some pretty significant updates, including going to a 13.25-inch blower housing. What that equates to is basically more efficient mowing, mowing at faster ground speeds without the mower plugging up. Particularly in wet grass, heavy grass conditions, a little bit longer, we're going to be sure to keep that grass flowing into the catcher.
One of the things Brock highlighted was Walker's collection system. The C23i is designed to handle thick, heavy grass while maintaining a clean, consistent cut. It's one of the features that has helped make Walker a trusted choice for commercial operators.
What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open this baby up and take a look. So we'll flip open the 10-bushel hopper. We're going to flip open the body. Traditionally, the C in the past has been a one-piece body. When they did this significant update, they went back to the clamshell, similar to the Model T right here behind me. Another nice thing that they did is they actually developed a pivoting jack shaft assembly. So in the past, in order to remove a blower out of one of these machines, you physically had to take it out the bottom. So what this allows us to do is this allows us to access our blower housing, check our maintenance, get to our belts, flip the jack shaft out of the way, and we can actually remove the blower housing out of the tractor simply by doing that.
Looking inside the machine gives you a better understanding of the engineering behind it. From the blower housing to the overall layout, every component is designed with performance and accessibility in mind.
We're getting ready to mow the grass here, and I just wanted to go ahead and check the blades, see how things are looking, make sure everything's healthy. We're just going to go through the simplicity of the Walker mower and how we can do that. So in order to check the blades or lift the deck up for any sort of maintenance reasons, we're going to pop out these two pins on the side. We're going to prepare our deck for lifting by lifting this latch there, pick up on it, drop it in, and we're done. So now we have the ability to check the conditions of our blades, torque our blade nuts, check our shear bolts, make sure our deck doesn't have a bunch of buildup in it, and we're ready to mow.
Another takeaway was Walker's focus on simplicity. Features like the flip-up deck make routine maintenance faster and easier, helping operators spend more time mowing and less time working on the machine.
I often get asked, why somebody would buy a Walker in general over a competing product. The big thing here is, Walkers are fast, they're easy, and they're beautiful. They make fast work of obstacles and things of that nature. When you're trimming around flagpoles, you're trimming around concrete edging, trimming around trees, things of that nature. The control that a Walker gives you is really second to none. The second thing is easy. Okay, so this thing is extremely easy to maintenance. We can easily pick up on the hopper. We can easily access everything, our belts, our battery, our hydrostatic transmissions, everything is right here, easy to work on. Most of our belts you can change without tools. It's just a simple, easy mower to operate and to work on. And then the last thing is beautiful. Walker really has a beautiful cut. There's several reasons for that, and depending on what model you're working with, those reasons might change a little bit, but the overall consensus is real. Walker has the most beautiful cut in the industry.
Beyond the features themselves, one message stood out throughout our conversation. Walker is built to deliver a clean finish while keeping the operator's job as simple and efficient as possible. That's a big reason these machines continue to be a favorite among professionals. Those are just a few of the biggest takeaways from our conversation. We'd like to extend a huge thank you to Brock for taking the time to share his knowledge and walk us through the engineering behind Walker mowers. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, be sure to subscribe to Freelings Ag Equipment for more equipment demonstrations, product reviews, and videos just like this.